What's up, guys? Most signs coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one, peeps. Are we there? We done it.
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Happy Emancipation Day to all my Jamaican people that celebrated it yesterday. Yeah. So whether you're there yard or you're there abroad, happy Emancipation Day. Yeah. But anyway, peeps, as we run up in the video right now, for me, how I spend my Emancipation Day, I was at my yard chilling with Miss Sinus. Yeah, and thing. We couldn't do much things anyway, cause I don't know, bro, God lock up the place and you know the big C situation. But anyway, make we kick off that first video, yeah? And see what I go on. This is how this man spend Female Emancipation Day.
We in our backyard, you know. You see me, I say, and you know, say, today, Emancipation Day, right? So, you know, say, I so every Sunday and holiday, where everybody from in our community, I saw them come swim, youth them come swim, yeah. But Alcan is a company where keep polluting the water. As you can see, dead fish them in a brother, and not chatting, you know. See them there, the whole life fish them dead off in a river. And today, Emancipation Day, where we can afford to go to the beach, so a riverside. As you can see, every Sunday we post here, doing so we enjoy the Sunday. See it there, you know, my people. Yeah, all can win Dalco, you know. You saw them pies out the river. You see that fish them? I'm going to show that bomb buckler.
Wow. When you see that, I want to hear what the man say. The man say, Emancipation Day, or public holiday, as you know, and when enough people go beach, go out, have fun. For him, a river, and him say, allegedly, a company, me no want call the name and get myself in trouble, dump them poison and them waste in the river. And as you guys can clearly see, a bare dead fish. So you tell me now, the water they safe for swimming in? Me not think so, because if you can do that to the fish, imagine what that can do to me as a human or other people. We go in the water there, the river. The man say him post that pretty much every holiday when him go down there and those posts and all them stuff there. Yo, bro God, something needs to be done, cause that ain't healthy, boy. Alright, peeps, we're there. We're gonna go into the next video now.
But because of a misunderstanding, the fine wasn't paid, but she ended up at the lockup. Even though eventually the fine was paid and she came out. But Mr. Holmes, my problem is, my daughter is 19 years of age. From she born until the 22nd of July, she is a Rasta. She goes her laps from she born until that day. And she got locked up and a police corporal down at the Fort Pass police station. Her name is Constable Michelle. She trimmed my daughter's locks. I mean, I like to know the reason why. I mean, I ask me that like some justice. Me can't live with this, I mean, I'm gonna live with this. This is not in the 60s. Rasta have contributed so much to society. Why are we still being stigmatized? Why did this lady cut my daughter locks? Me I beg you, please, me I ask you to help me to get some justice. Me can't live with this. My daughter go crazy. My daughter is going crazy.
Ah, boy. Alright, so long story cut short is the young lady that you see here, see there with her hair ball, she's a Rasta. And she get herself in a little trouble, right? And whatever trouble she get herself in, during the time she was in jail, officer, a high-ranking officer down there, as she just clearly call her name, trim her locks and stuff like that. And you know the Rastafarian and their movement and stuff like that, them not take them thing there lightly. It rang. The girl a 19-year-old and she grew her hair from pretty much just baby and stuff like that. And as a lady say, Rasta has contributed so much to Jamaica, you know what I mean, in so many different ways. Why are they still being stigmatized and so? I don't fully know what happening in the cellar, why she get herself in a situation like this. But the first part of the video, them say a fine was eventually paid and thing. But I just want to know your thoughts on the whole matter. Let me know. Share your feedback. And make we get right in our next video. Peeps, make we kick off the other video now.
What that? No one dog.
Why you do it, John Crumb?
Oh!
Yo, no see I want dog that. I in a Jamaica that somewhere no. You no see the man tear off the fur off a dog. Which restaurant that? Me want to know which restaurant that, you know. Which restaurant that? Yeah, you know, yo, how you do it? Brown stew or curry?
Oh!
Alright, peeps. It's a little funny video. Trinidad, we love you. We love our Caribbean peeps. Alright? Make you get right tonight. Okay? Not laughing at the person, but it's how the person reacting that's showing us the video. Okay? My apologies.
Only watch this girl in Israel Lane 2. What she did? What she here? Watch this fucking girl. Only tell me she make any Olympic standard. Watch that. Watch that fucking that. Watch that fucking that. Watch that fucking that. She make any. Look, she run off the fucking screen. Watch. I'm coming by the finish line. Where she? Where she? Where fucking she? Look, she no coming. Only tell me she make any Olympic standard pattern. Let me tell you.
Oh!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Abunda la caca.
The food you're eating here, some parasitic food. Like you see ramen, Batty man like ramen. Ramen does make them boom. Because ramen now have a parasite in it, a Batty parasite in it now. When you eat it now, the bottom tingling.
Oh!
What do you mean by that?
And clapping. When they hear Batty talk and talk, the bottom a clap. You see it?
Mom, slam on the brakes.
So, we have to don't give your children this food and this sweet food. You see it? Be careful while you give all the children. You don't see Batty boy love sweets?
Come out of me, Ben. Stop trying to break my current.
Looking at.
What? Yeah, peeps. It's a short video, a quick one, but guess what? I'll keep the pot bubbling. You know what I mean? I forgot up on the road today. Dealing with a whole lot of stuff. But anyway, peeps, y'all see them videos? Y'all see them videos? The dog in a Chiney place. Why you wow. And that, you know what I mean? Just I say. You know what I mean? Just I say. Yeah, the Rasta man say. Batty Parasite there in Ramen. And I mean say for him. You know what I mean? Say for him. You know what I mean? You know serious? The fastest, slowest woman in the world. Trinidad, we love you, but she gotta go. She gotta go. Pack your bag and leave. Leave it now, work. The Rasta woman now. Oh my God. And her child. Something, Andrew, you need to step in and do something. The brother at the bridge, flat bridge, the trailer with the back of the trailer with the back part of it a skid up on flat bridge, so when I see it, go back and watch the video. That's crazy. Well, so up on the river with all of them dead fish there and all them things there, that company there, something needs to be done. And you can't dump no waste in a river. You know what I mean? Where people swimming and all them stuff there. I remember at the end of the day, the river run back out to the sea. And then the sea run it back through the river. And all them things there. For a lot of people, they use like as their source of watering, bathing, and some drinking. I remember also, Yo, it's crazy. Andrew, y'all need to step in. But anyway, peeps, happy Emancipation Day to all my peeps. From yesterday, I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. And things in the flag there. No disrespect. Put some respect on it. But we're there. Our happy Tuesday. Yeah. Big up on yourself. From me. And the old Sinus crew and Miss Sinus also. And baby Sinus too. So, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And just go and join with your boy. Ashua!
Releasing